Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Bulova mechanical watch. This particular model has the manual winding movement, meaning you need to manual wind the watch in order for it to run. This is different from the automatic watches that can actually get the energy from moving, so from actually wearing them. But if you have a manual winding Bulova watch, just like this one, you need to rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction, so to the right, and you can also hear the watch wind. Once the watch is winded a few times, as you can see here, the subdial at 6 o'clock has already started to tick. This is the second hand of this particular model, and you can keep on winding it a few times in order to have more energy. Now, many of you might ask, how many times should you wind a mechanical watch? On average, you should wind it between 10 and 20 times, maybe even more if you have a bigger power reserve, but you need to remember 10-20 times. And once you start to feel a lot of resistance, so in the beginning, it is going to be very easy in order to wind it. But as you approach the threshold of, let's say, 15 to 20 times, you are going to feel that it becomes harder and harder, so you are going to have more resistance from the crown in order to wind it. This means that you are getting closer and closer to the maximum winding threshold of your mechanical watch. Never try to overcome that resistance, because you can actually break the mainspring and you are going to have to visit the watchmaker in order to service your watch. So once you feel that resistance, I would suggest that you stop, so you do not need to reach the maximum number of times that you can wind your watch, and then you can place it on your wrist and you can wear it. Now, most mechanical watches are going to have a power reserve of 24 to 48 hours. You can test yours in order to see how many times you need to wind the watch and for how many hours it is going to run. In case you wind it just a few times and it becomes fully winded and it doesn't work, you need to visit your watchmaker, so a local watchmaker, because your watch is going to need a service. Now, in order to set the time on your mechanical watch, you are going to pull the crown to the last position. Then you are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. Make sure to always rotate them in a clockwise direction. This way you are not going to break anything inside the watch. Then you are going to push the crown all the way back in and you are done. You have winded the watch, so it is ticking, working, and you have also set the time. Now you are good to go. So guys, this is how you wind your Bulova mechanical watch with a manual winding option. This tutorial is going to work for most mechanical watches as well, so I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next on the channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.